Okay, so here we are preparing sheet for the Arrow greenhouse. Same would be for the Arrow 3 as well. So usually you have 6 meter long sheet and you have to cut it on the half. But ideally here in the middle, don't cut it fully, like, cut it only first layer and then it's gonna nicely break, like, in straight line. But if you did cut it like fully through here, like we have situation here, so this is our old sheet we used from the previous Arrow 2011 model, what was in the showroom before. So as we are showing you now today, we are changing that to the new model, but we're gonna use the same polycarbonate sheet, so because it's still good and the sheet was cut fully. So we have to use clear tape to stick it together in the middle. But ideally, just cut the first layer. It's a twin wall polycarbonate, so just cut the first wall, and the second wall gonna keep your sheet nice and strong and in perfect line. Okay. In the package you will have ridge. Okay, so they are each 1 meter long. So we're doing 2 meter long greenhouse. So we will have to screw them together before we put it on the polycarbonate. Perfect. Ridge is prepared, so we are ready for the polycarbonate. Okay, so we'll leave a little edge here. Okay, the boys are securing. Polycarbonate. They start with one side first. They make sure everything is nice and tight. A little bit over the edge. Same process on the other end. Check if everything is nice and tight around the frame. Okay, sheet is secured. Okay, put some extra bolts. First we do the bolts and then we're gonna finish with the straps. Okay, follow the manual where exactly you need to put the bolts in. Follow the manual where exactly you need to put the bolts in, or follow this video. Okay, one side is with the bolts done. Now let's get to the other side. Perfect, so the bolting is done. So the next stage is the ridge. The ridge goes on top of the polycarbonate on the roof. Okay, like for example, if you're building 4-meter greenhouse, you can use the ridge as a one long length. Okay, you will have 4 pieces screwed together. Okay, also can be done for the 6-meter greenhouse, but if you're doing like 8 meters on or 10 meters, okay, then it's better to leave the ridge in 2 halves. So you're gonna push 4 meters. For example, if you do 8 meters, you're gonna push the ridge from 4 meters from one end and 4 meters from other end. Okay, because otherwise it's gonna be hard to control the ridge while you're putting it on top of the roof, and then you have to put the straps on and it can start sliding off. And so the ridge we also check here from the inside. So it has to go straight line, as you can see there. It's perfectly straight, but you have to keep it that way as well when you're gonna put the straps on. Okay, so as we are building this greenhouse on solid foundation, dealing with brackets secured. So as you remember in the beginning, there was anchors with these straps. So we cut those straps and follow up the sizes. We did markings, how short we need to cut these straps, and where exactly we have to place them, that they are in ideal height. For the big straps, we should go over like large from one side to the other side. Okay, and we screw these smaller straps, these brackets here with the self-topping screws. If that would be on the soil, this strap would be sticking out of the ground, like coming out from the anchor. So it would be